This was my mask of choice. I'm a bit of a scary person. Well, the blackness today be so white. Oh my gosh, I think it's okay. Hey guys, it's me, Tiffany, also known as Talkatiffy, and I'm here to do something a little different. And if you've noticed that I'm talking a little weird, it's because I have an ulcer in my mouth, so I can't really form my words. Sorry, I digress. Anyway, I am actually going to be celebrating a wedding of a friend this Saturday, and I'm one of her bridesmaids, so it's truly such an honor. And this friend of mine has been my friend since I was 11 years old. We were really close in primary school, continued our relationship out to high school, and every now and then we'll always fill each other in, even when we were in different colleges and universities. I am so happy to be able to celebrate with her because I don't think you really get the opportunity all the time to hit this huge milestone of your life with a friend that you've known for so long. So I just think it's such a special day. So what I'll be doing is sharing a little bit about what goes on behind the scenes of a Malay wedding in Malaysia. So this is going to be my first Malay wedding that I'm attending and sort of being a part of. As I learn a bit more about the process and the traditions of a Malay wedding, I thought I could take you guys along on this journey with me as well. Bear in mind though that this is not a fully traditional wedding. I think she's mentioned to me that she's kind of like modernizing it. So I'm not 100% sure whether this is going to be sort of like the guide on how to navigate a Malaysian Malay wedding. To tell this story, I'm gonna bring us back to Thursday. So this was the day that we, the bridesmaids, actually had the chance to meet the groomsmen for the first time. Most of us didn't know each other from beforehand. In fact, I didn't know any of the bridal party on the groom side and the bride side until we met up probably months before the wedding. It's kind of cool how, although we didn't really know each other, we could still click pretty well. And I think because of our shared love for the bride and the groom, I guess, for the groomsmen. Also personality-wise, I suppose, since these are people that they found close to them, and since we are the people close to them as well, naturally we would gel. I'm not sure whether I'm making sense. So anyway, on Thursday, we met up with the groomsmen for the first time. Although they stayed on to hang out a little more after dinner, I left soon after. And that brings me... So I'm home from the bridesmaid groomsmen event thingy, and I have so much to pack. Basically, I'll be going to work tomorrow. I'm planning to bring my suitcase with me. After work, I will immediately just head to the hotel. So the other bridesmaids are going to be there already. They are going for a mani-pedi session and a massage session. Sort of like pamper themselves, but I still have my green nails up, so I didn't want to overgel them. I'm currently in the process of packing my bag. I can show you what I plan to bring. Let me start off by showing you what we'll be wearing tomorrow. So this is the bridesmaid's outfit. It's like a batik skirt and a long goldish flowy top that we're supposed to tie this skirt together with this thing. So I don't know how to do this, but Ili's bridesmaid promises that she does, and we'll be wearing this for the akad nikah ceremony tomorrow. What is an akad nikah? Well, here is Nina to explain it to us.
So the minute after akad nikah, that's all you need to be officially married Islamically.
Also, okay, so what?
So actually, you don't need a reception.
Okay.
All you need is that akad nikah. The minute Reezal says he accepts Ili as his wife and etc., and he says it in one breath.
In one, yeah, he can't.
Stutter. If he stutters, he has to start again.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Riri Novitasari binti Bapak Sumo.
That's the only bit they need.
It's like the ROM thingy, is it? It's like
no, but no, this is like the religiously married part.
Yeah,
okay.
just very fast.
Okay, welcome back, folks. Okay, so this is what I'll be wearing for the dinner. Ili told us to wear something pink or pinkish, and I'll be wearing a sort of like a baju kurung thing. So a baju kurung is like one of the Malay traditional costumes that has a long dress top and a long skirt at the bottom. This one, however, has a shorter top. You'll see better on me when I actually wear it. This was given to me by a friend of mine. Shout out to Azrin. This was my farewell gift when I left my previous job. I've been looking for a great occasion to wear this, and I think this is the time. I also brought in a button shirt. This was my mom's Burberry shirt. I like to wear button tops when I get my makeup done. So we're getting a hair and makeup artist to come tomorrow, and this just makes it easy for me to take it off if I need to without messing up my hair. And then also we were told to bring cute-ish pajamas. I don't know whether this qualifies as cute, but they are more dressy pajamas instead of the ones with holes in them, so I guess they qualify. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys my jewelry box. Okay, I bought this online and I'm pretty darn pleased with it. Okay, I kind of overstuffed it to the brim, but I thought I could wear this chain with the akad nikah costume. I brought earrings, and basically they have like little compartments where you can like pin your stuff. I'm not sure that you can see that clearly. And it has a little mirror. Yeah, but I think it's very compact and easy to bring, and it doesn't get my accessories tangled, which I think is the most important part. All that's left to do is get a good night's rest and get ready for tomorrow. I've arrived at the hotel now and it's so pretty. I'm about to go and meet the other girls. The way. Okay. Okay, I think this is the room. Thank you!
Look at her all help.
Okay, this is the bride. Okay, wow, they have like a spa thingy. This is her first ever manicure, which is insane to me. I'm going to unglamorously climb over. Okay, how is that? How do you feel the day before your wedding?
Like a princess.
Yes, look at her. Did it feel weird? Like, was it fine?
It was very ticklish at first.
Oh, I'm sure you must have been like laughing like crazy.
Yeah. But it was kind of relaxing.
She doesn't normally talk like this. She's sounding really shy right now. So this is her French tips, which is perfect for a wedding.
Yes.
So this is the room. We got an apartment with 2 rooms and a living room, right? We have this, which is the kitchen and the washing machine and the fridge and a microwave. We have the living room here with our gorgeous princess. We have the maid of honor who's buried herself in the bed. This is the toilet, this is the shower, and this is the bath. And this is the Shaza.
Hello.
And this is Rina. The crucial lesson we all need to learn, okay?
Not that crucial.
I'm sorry, I'm still in a... Okay.
So basically you have one side, right? You have one side that you have to basically like do sampai belakang. So this
Okay,
time,
so you go into the back, yeah.
The thing is, this part, if you tuck it, you will want this bit to be short. So if you want this bit to be short, that's where the buckle comes in. Put in the kain.
So the buckle is basically just a circle with a bar in
Just
the
a circle,
middle.
yeah. Then
Wait.
I'll do you tomorrow, it's okay. It's for... So, like I said, it's up to you where you want this bit
Oh, that's
to be.
pretty. Okay,
So
okay.
if you want it shorter, you'll just bring it in. Some people like having this bit quite low.
Oh, okay.
Some people like having it quite high.
Like a, like
It's up to you how you want
crotch
to wear it.
thingy,
Yeah.
yeah.
I like to tie mine at the side, to be honest. I don't like mine at the back because it hurts. But people usually tie at the back. So.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, thank you, Nina. I took a shower. I'm in the hotel robe because you're not really in a hotel unless you wear a robe. I don't know who made that up. It is 10:30, so we were supposed to sleep. I mean, we joked that we would sleep at 9, but then I think it'll be good if we can sleep before 11. Tomorrow morning we have a buffet breakfast. Then we have rehearsals. Then we will have the akad nikah and the reception. So it's gonna be a busy day, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. So okay, see you guys on Saturday. How long have you known Ili?
I've known her. I've known her since I was 13 years old. So how long is that?
Now you're just telling everyone your age.
The thing is, no.
No. Oh yeah lah.
Oh yeah. How do I feel? I haven't feel it yet.
Haven't feel it yet. You'll cry later.
Yeah, I'll cry later. It's gonna come later. But I can feel nervous right now. I'm definitely nervous.
Her other bridesmaids have kind of run away.
Hi.
Rina, how do you feel, Rina? Tell me how you feel.
I feel happy.
And thank you. So that's us with our hard-hitting news on how everyone's feeling. How do I feel? I feel sick. But I'm excited. I'm excited for Ili. And yeah, I think it'll be I don't know, I think I'll cry. Confirm cry lah.
I promise to always love and care for you, and no matter how bad or fight.
This is the bridal suite. I'm videoing us, yeah. So I don't know, I'm trying to go for like a glowy-ish look. I'll show you guys. I don't actually know whether my face can pull this off lah, so we'll see. I don't look like her, but we'll do what we can, right?
We try.
Okay, I just did my makeup. I never use heavy makeup like this. After like, he saw my face, he was like, whoa, okay. Now I was like, okay, what? And he was like, oh, no, it's nice. And I'm like, what? You did my makeup? What do you mean it's nice? And he was like, no, it is nice. And I'm like, okay, sure. So my hair, it's not done. So the reason why it looks so pulled back and I look like a made-up egg is because I need to keep the volume on my fringe. So I'll remove all these pins on the top of my head later, like right before the event. So now it's about 1:30 and we have roughly 2.5 hours before the first event. I'm gonna go up to the bridal suite and check out the bride and the other bridesmaids. Then we'll put on our outfits and probably take some pictures before we go out. Phone. Ta-da! Rina, do you mind just showing me what my hair looks like? So hello! Ili's still in her makeup. Oh, okay. That's actually my job, just to pass her the phone. Yes! Subscribe! Talkatiffy! Okay, so now she's doing her thing. It's my outfit. Oh my gosh, look how long her trail is. Okay, we're getting ready for the akad nikah. I'm not going to be able to record it, so this is just us getting ready. And okay, Ili, you can wave goodbye. After this, she will be a Mrs. So no more Miss Ili.
1,374 ringgit tunai. I still remember the time we were out on our first date. How nervous I was when I first saw you, and I was sweating like mad. Because in that moment, there was just something about you which got me interested. I was taken aback not just by your beauty, but also how you carry yourself as a person. You were so kind, confident, smart, and we always had something to talk about. You made me feel comfortable from the very beginning, and I could just be myself around you. And it didn't take long for me to express my feelings towards you, because I know deep down inside that you've been the one I've been searching for. And now, I'm so glad that I can finally call you my wife.
Okay, we are done with the akad nikah and now we're preparing for the reception. So Ili's getting her makeup done. Her hair is huge. How do you feel to be married, by the way?
Good.
Good, yeah. So she's officially married. She is officially a puan. A Mrs. I'm just basically opening doors for people. Oh, it's my man. My Indian man. Hello. Okay, my work is sort of done. So now I get to enjoy dinner with my date. And Ili and Reezal are over there So for Malay weddings, they sit at the front and face all of us, so we can just keep watching them. Yeah, and that's it. I had a really good time, and I hope you guys learn a little bit about how Malay weddings work. Okay. It is the end of the night. I am home. I also took off my lashes and rubbed my eyes in the car, and yeah, now I look like this. Okay, good night. It was such a night indeed. Mwah.